The Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum's love for wildlife is not new. The prince often posts pictures and videos with animals on his social media. In the recent post expressing his love for animals, he posted a video of a bird family on his Mercedes SUV. The prince has stopped using his Mercedes SUV after spotting a bird's nest near its windshield. When the prince first spotted a bird sitting on the SUV and warming its eggs last week, he cordoned off the luxury vehicle by placing white and red barricades around it. This was done to prevent other people and vehicles from disturbing the bird and its eggs. The prince, who already has a reputation of a nature lover, earned many praises for his act of love by Instagrammers.